What's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can allow users to download different type of files from your website. It can be an AKP file, as you can see, a JPEG or a PNG or JPG, whatever image file, a PDF file, and also a zip file. Alright, let's dive right into it. Alright, so I have VS Code open and I'm using Astro, but you can use whatever framework or language you want to use. It's going to work as far as it accepts HTML tags. So if I go back to my browser, these are what I have right now. If I click on them, the page just refresh. So I'm going to start with this AKP file. And for AKP file, we all know that those type of files are usually large, and it's not really good to have that kind of file on your project because it might slow down the time your browser loads. Also, I think GitHub also has a maximum limit of the kind of files you can upload. So for this approach, um, I will use an app called Dropbox. So let me dismiss this. This was one I found that worked for me. So you can just upload your files right here, your app. So I think the free tier has a maximum limit of 2 gig. So depending on the kind of files you want to add on your website, but this I have already brought in a file of about 92 MB. To upload the file, you just have to click right here and select upload, and it can be a file or a folder. It's pretty straightforward. Then the file will appear right here. So what you just have to do is to copy the link. Now that you have this link, you can come back to our browser and open VS Code and just paste in the link right here. And what you have to do is to change this 0 right here to 1 for it to work. After that, one more thing is that you will have to bring in this the download attribute. So this download attribute allows you to specify the name. So if a user tries to download the file, this will be the name that will be appended with this file. So let's just save it and test it out. So if I come back here and I click on download, so depending on how large the file is, this is going to load for some seconds. So as you can see right here, the file is downloaded, but I already have it on my PC, so I'll just pause it or cut it out. All right, cool. So basically the approach is the same for everything. So for this, let me just even change this to PNG because I have PNG image. So I'll just change this to PNG, save. Then since I have this on my public folder, and you can also put in everything right here, it's going to work fine as well, but I'm just referencing it from my public folder. So I'll come right here. This time I will just say up one level, and I will say dashboard PNG, and I'll add the download attribute, and I can call this dashboard PNG. So if I save this and click on this, you can see it didn't take time because the file is relatively small. So the same approach with PDF. You can just come right here and say neo PDF, and download should be neo PDF. So this download can be anything. I can just say Lawrence. So if I click on this, Lawrence should be what is here, but the actual file will be the neo. So you can see right here. So let me change this back to neo, and same with this zip folder. So I'll just say amus.zip, then download should be the same name. will save and check right here, and so we have the file coming through. All right guys, so that's about it. And the reason I did this video was I was working on a project and had issues adding a link for user to download an AKP file. So I just came across Dropbox and I decided to just add more options for you guys to also explore. All right guys, that's the end of the video. Do well to leave a like and share the video if you found it helpful. Till next time.